Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi A3 armrest clip. First, carefully inspect your armrest to confirm the clip is indeed broken and needs replacing. Next, ensure you have the correct replacement clip and the few basic tools required, such as a small flathead screwdriver. Preparing your workspace will make the process smoother and prevent any lost parts. Let's get started with the removal process. Now, let's remove the old clip. Begin by gently prying open the armrest cover. You might need a small plastic trim tool or a flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape to avoid scratches. Once the cover is slightly open, you'll see the small tabs securing the broken clip. Carefully disengage these tabs and slide out the old, damaged clip. Take your time to avoid breaking any other plastic components. With the old clip removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new armrest clip with the opening in the armrest mechanism. Make sure it's oriented correctly. Then, press the new clip firmly into its designated slot until you hear or feel it click into place. Double-check that it's securely seated and operates smoothly, allowing the armrest to latch properly. To finish up, carefully reattach the armrest cover, making sure all the tabs align and it snaps securely back into place. Give the armrest a few good tests, opening and closing it to ensure the new clip is functioning perfectly and the latch holds firm. A well-maintained armrest makes a big difference. And hey, while you're sprucing up your car, why not make it smell great too? Check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.